Hello guys, welcome to another video of Channel Pony and I am Sadman Islam with you. Today in this video I will show you the top 5 tips to make your phone faster and smoother. So let's start the video after a short intro. As the smartphone gets older, its functionality starts to decrease, repeatedly hangs. Users have to deal with this problem in an embarrassing situation. The phenomenon of smartphones slowing down or hanging is a daily occurrence. However, users can take some steps to get rid of this problem. Step number 1. Clean memory cache. Usually when using the app on the smartphone, it remains in the memory of the phone in the form of cache. Many times when the cache is jammed, the phone becomes slow, so it needs to be cleaned regularly. If you go to the settings of the phone and click on the storage option, you have to clean the cache of each app. Step number 2. Free up storage space. Unwanted or unused apps should be deleted without leaving the phone. Also, deleting unnecessary photos or videos and emptying your phone's storage will eliminate the problem of your phone's hanging, because the phone works slow even when the storage is full. Step number 3. Software update. The smartphone must always have software update installed. To give an update or check for a new update, go to the phone settings and check the system update option. Here you can see when the phone was last updated or if the manufacturer has given any new update. Step number 4. Avoid live wallpapers. Many users use live wallpapers to enhance the display beauty of smartphones. This greatly affects the performance of the phone. So ordinary wallpaper should be used on the phone. Live wallpapers can never be used, at least on older smartphones. Step number 5. Factory data reset. If the speed of your smartphone becomes too slow, you can do a factory data reset. Before performing a factory data reset, you must have a backup of all your Android data, because if you reset the factory data, all the data of your phone is deleted. Then set up your Android device in a new way. If you have any hardware faults, can also slow down your favorite smartphone. In that case, of course, you can contact the service center of the specific brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube.